LG dishwasher heat code. I have already replaced the heater element once, and within a month heat code came up again.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. There isn't anything that would cause a heating element to go out other than just poor manufacturing. You're going to want to remove the heating element and check continuity through the element to see if it failed again. If so, then at 1 month old, the part should be covered under warranty and you can return it and get a new one. Now more than likely you'll find that the heating element is actually good and the error is occurring for no reason. This would mean you have a bad main control board, which commonly happens when the heating element fails the first time, causing a power surge and weakening the relay on the main control board. The main control board would need to be replaced if this were the case.
Thank you. I'll pull the element in a few minutes and check the resistance through it. If it is still good, I'll order a new main control board and replace it. If it is bad, just get a new element, or should I go ahead and replace the board as well? Also, as a first-time user of this service, do I need to rate your answer now, or wait until the fix is proven? Thank you.
If the element is bad, just replace the element. Generally the board doesn't fail also, but when the same error comes back and the element tests good, then the board was affected. It's a bit too expensive for a part to just replace for preventative maintenance. As for rating the answer, generally that is done now since the help was received now, but the question never closes out, so you can ask follow-up questions at no additional charge if you still had questions.
Heating element did not ohm out, so it has gone bad. Replacement, for free under warranty, is on its way. Thank you.
Not a problem, and I wish you only the best.
Tyler, third dishwashing cycle with the new heating element. First 2 went just fine. The failure code is he again with both lights on the front flashing. Water left in the bottom of the dishwasher and the inside is hot/warm. Any idea what is wrong now? Thanks, Tyson.
Check the heater to see if it and number 39 is shorted out again. If so, the only thing I can think of would be a bad thermistor telling the element to stay on too long and causing it to short out, so I and number 39 replace the thermistor if the dishwasher is definitely getting water and spraying around.
The heating element is an open circuit again, so I guess I'll be ordering another one and a thermistor. Anything else I should be replacing on this unit?
I would make sure the dishwasher is getting water, because if the heater is turning on without water, that could cause the heater to go open, but you would think that would be fairly obvious if that were the case, since the dish is wooden and number 39 be wet at all.
There is a big puddle of water in the bottom of the dishwasher, completely covering the entry holes to the sump, and there was no water in it at the beginning of the wash cycle. Also, I've gone through the parts for this unit and there are no thermistors. Only a water fill sensor and a turbidity sensor are available.
The turbidity sensor is a water clarity and temperature sensor, which means that the thermistor is built into this part to measure temperature. The part number is
Tyler, the turbidity sensor and new heating element were installed last night. Towards the end of the first cycle the unit failed. Same as before, heat code and flashing lights on the front, water still in the bottom of the unit. The heating element is burned out again, number 3.
I and number 39 am really not sure what to say at this point, maybe the control board isn't in number 39, T reading the turbidity sensor correctly so it in number 39, S getting way too hot on the drying cycle and blowing the element? But if that in number 39, S the case you would think you in number 39, D have other signs like burning smells or melted plastic inside the dishwasher.
Tyler, I spent some time on the phone with repair clinic manager and they requested that I inspect the wiring at the bottom of the door. I did so and found no problem. However, while I had the door off, I did a visual inspection of the control board and found the center blue relay was burned and failed closed. This explains why the heating elements keep breaking, but it does not explain what caused the relay to burn, damage the wiring and connectors a little bit too. We are going to replace the machine as it would be about $400 in parts to get it up and running again and we still wouldn't know what caused the relay to go. Thanks for your help. Tyson.
Alright, well, I'm sorry about all the troubles.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.